Crochet is the art of transforming yarn into something more by making loops with a hook. If you can make a loop, you can crochet. Whether you want to make something for yourself or your home, or you're looking for thoughtful handmade gift ideas, crochet really is that simple. It's just making loops with a hook. My name is Carol Plichnich. I'm a designer, a multimedia maker, and instructor with more than 20 years in the creative industry. And I am excited to welcome you to the world of crochet. For the occasion, I have specially designed this festive crossbody bag with beginners in mind. And I'm going to walk you through how to make it step by step. Don't let all of these fun, fancy features fool you though. This project is 100% beginner friendly. Whether you have already hooked up a few dishcloths or you have never touched a crochet hook in your life, you can absolutely do this. I'm going to show you everything from how to hold your yarn to how to read a crochet pattern. Together, we will first stitch the body of the bag and then sew the sides together. After that, we'll be ready to add the fringe, and I'll show you several options for creating the strap. With only minimal supplies required, you'll be surprised how many ways there are to make this bag your own. And with only one stitch to learn and a simple design, this pattern is not only beginner friendly, but it's Netflix friendly too. So grab your favorite cozy beverage and let's hook it up.